Okay, a group of 60 students, and this is their table. So between 0 and 20 there were 5, between 20 and 30 there were 10, etc. I've got to compute the cumulative frequency table for this. So how many were less than or equal to 20? Well, all those 5 were. How many were less than or equal to 40? Well, these 5 were way less than 40, and these 10 were between 20 and 40, so that means we've got 15 which were less than 40. And now less than 60, or less than or equal to 60, we've got these 19, these 10, and this 5. So it's 19, 29, 34. And then we need to add 14 onto that to get 48, and then add 12 on there to get 60. And then we have to draw the cumulative frequency. Just try and make it a little bit bigger so I can see the scales better. And now I can see that I've got 5 squares here represent 10, so each little square is worth 2. And when I'm doing cumulative frequency, the important words are less than. And that's what I'm always thinking, is how many were less than. So I often think, instead of cumulative frequency, less than. 5 were less than 20, so go to 5 were less than 20. And 15 were less than 40, so 15 will be right there. 34 were less than 60, so I go up from 60 until I get to 34. That's 30, and then up 2 more little squares. 48 were less than 80, which is to there, and 60 were less than 100. And then I need to draw that up with a smooth curve, and draw it up with, that's not very smooth, but it's not bad. And then students scoring more than 75 won a prize. So I need to find out where 75 is. That's 60. I put a little line in there to help me. That's 70, so 75 will be there. And so what I need to do now is to draw a line going straight up from 75. So I go straight up. That's not straight. So I'll try and redo that. Straight up from 75. Is that going to work? Straight up. So I get to the line and then go straight across to there. And then I can see what I've got. It's about, it's just under, it's 45, I think. That probably reads off at 45, but we must remember that means less than. And students scoring more than 75 won a prize. There were 60 students altogether. 45 scored less than 75, and therefore 15 scored more than 75. Obviously the answer may be a bit different. I think the answer accepts anywhere between 44 and 46. But if you draw the lines on your diagram, you've got far greater chance of getting it correct. And that's the answer to question 10 done.